up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here guys, I highly suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on that subscribe button and enable bell notifications. Why? Because that's going to let you know every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live, and trust me guys, you're not going to miss out anything. Alright guys, today we got a brand new video on another product. I haven't done a product of this in a while regarding the genre of it. As some of you know, some of you might not even know, I'm into the whole 3D printing. I like 3D printing. I've been 3D printing for a couple years now. The only thing that I do not excel in when it comes to 3D printing is actually creating my own files. It's a very hard process to learn. I'm on the works of learning how to build my own things. But just like anything, everything takes time to learn. So as of right now, I do want to make copies of certain things that I want to do. And how do you make copies of anything? With a scanner. So since I have everything Creality printers set up, I decided to go ahead and get the Ferret Pro scanner. This is a 3D scanner that can be worked as wirelessly or wired, depending how you want to use it. And this is a pro version, so it gives me the opportunity to do it wirelessly across the room if I want and still be able to scan on my computer, which is an awesome way. Yes, you can always use the cable, but remember the cable has to be long enough, and also with the cable you do risk it running into the part that it gets tangled up when you're trying to go around corners, edges and stuff. Want to make sure you scan everything properly, whether it be in a small object or a full-size object, whatever the case may be. So today I'm just going to unbox and show you what comes in here and how it looks. I'm not going to actually do any scanning because I do want to learn how to use it before ever even doing a video on how to scan. So right now today is the only thing I'm going to do is unbox it, show you what comes in this. Okay, so they do have 3 models of this. They have the Creality Ferret 3D scanner regular. They have the Pro. So between the Pro and the Creality regular one, they are exactly the same. The only difference is the Pro comes with the link bridge, which lets you connect it wirelessly to your computer or tablet, whatever you want to do. You don't have to have a wire. All you have to do is connect the wire to the bridge that mounts on the bracket of the scanner, and go away. And of course, the regular Ferret doesn't come with a bridge. Now, they do have a third model. It's a lower budget model one called the Creality Ferret SE. It's a lot smaller scanner, and the specs are not a lot, but a bit less quality than the Pro version or the regular version. So it's a more budget friendly. It's like a third of the price of the Pro, but you got the option to get that one too. To exactly what the real difference, I'm not too sure because I didn't even look at it. I only ones I ever looked for was this one, the Pro version, and the non-Pro version. That's the only 2 that I ever looked at. I decided to go with the Pro version because it did have a discount going on at the time I bought this. I was like, oh, let me just get this one instead of the regular one because this is going for the same price of the non-Pro version at the time I bought this. So I was like, oh, let me get it. So I did get it. So this is the box. As you see, it says right there, CR. The CR is for Creality Ferret Pro scanner. Simple as that. And on the side, there's nothing. Neither on the side. On top of it, tells you some QR codes and stuff like that. You can take a look at that. And on the other side, there's nothing. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. The good thing about like the Ferret Pro and non-Pro one, they do come with a carrying case, which is pretty awesome. I like that. So that's one of the reasons I went with them too, and also because I'm a big Creality fan. So that's also a reason why I went with Creality instead of any other ones. Because there's a lot of companies that do the 3D scanners, but I think from what I researched and saw, Creality makes it a lot more simpler than the other scanners. So I didn't want to try to go with the other scanners and not have an easy experience to do it. This tape is hard to break off. This tape is really thick on there, huh? Okay, whatever, I got it through now. All right, so when you open it up, you see it's in the case is right there. So this is the whole carrying case with everything in there you need. So I'm gonna take this out, and there's nothing else in the box. So the whole setup is in here. So when we take a look at it, it says Creality right in the front of it, as you see. And then it comes with this little carrying handle if you want to carry it. But mostly you're going to be putting this away. So we're going to open this up. And when you open it up, everything's inside there. All the cables are in here. The scanner's right here. The tripod's right there. The phone mount, if you want to hook up your phone to it, if you download the app to scan the actual files onto your phone, you do that. Here's a little mounting bracket here as well. Here's the tripod stand for the bottom if you don't want to just use the handle. So you see right there, pretty cool. And this is the wireless link that I was talking about right here, guys. This is what connects your Ferret to make wireless and connect it wireless to your computer. This is all it is right here. It's called the link bridge. So this is what makes $100 difference between the Pro and the non-Pro version. It's just this little device right here. And of course, you have all your cables here. All right, let's take a look at it. This is the main cable right here. This connects to your Ferret and into your computer, your link bridge, or phone. This is how you do it. Use this. That's all you have to do is connect it. All right. And then of course you have all your manuals and all the information here as well. All right. And then you got more cables in here. So this cable right here, I think is for the, okay. So this connects to the Ferret for what I'm looking at here. This cable here connects to the Ferret, and then one connects to the, what's it called? The link bridge, and then the other one's for power, I guess. I'm not too sure what this part is for. I have to read the instructions. And then you got this other connection right here. The little ones are all USB-Cs, guys. So you know. And then the other ends are all USB-A. I think this is the same cable, but just with a right angle. So if you want to use this for the link bridge, this is an easier one cable to use. This is if you want to connect an external battery to it, or to the computer. Yeah, so this cable right here, from what I can see from the diagram that shows right here, this connects to the actual camera, or this one does, and this one connects to the link bridge, and then this connects to the computer where you have to get an extension, whatever you got to do to connect it, and that's it. Simple as that. All right, so I'm putting all these cables back in here because I don't want to lose any of the cables. And then of course they provide you with an extra small one right here that I didn't see earlier. Probably with this little cable here, it's a USB-C to USB-A, very small as you can see, not much to it. All right, and of course they give you these stickers here. These stickers right here, guys, these stickers is when you're doing a big scan and you need to have, and if it's a round shape, because these scanners cannot scan round items. So like, I'm gonna take this tube right here. If I try to scan this, it's not gonna know where it starts or where it ends. So with these stickers, and you can still buy these if you run out of these stickers, you put them in certain points, it'll know like it's actually a round shape and not just a flat surface. Because if you try to scan this with no stickers on it, it's gonna scan it like a straight flat surface. It's not gonna know the difference that it's a round shape. So that's what these stickers are for, from what I saw and read. So that's what these stickers are for. I'm surprised they provided that. And of course, you have your manual right here. Tells you how to use it, everything. You open the diagram right here. That's all it is right here. 3 pages, double-sided all around. But if you do want to download the app onto your phone for the manual, you got iOS, PC, Android, even Mac computers. There you guys go right there. And that's it with that part. So let me show you everything else in here. This is the gimbal here. This has a built-in battery in here, so you'll connect this to your camera, and then connect this link to this as well, so it connects all together. So if I want to connect this here, all I have to do is put this here. Let me see. I'm gonna get this on here. I'm gonna put the bottom on first. So if I want to put this here, I can put this here. Because if you want to put something flat and then have a turntable to scan everything on its own, you don't want to do it manual, you got that option there. All right. And then you got your camera right here, which clocks in right here. So let me put this on here. So this goes here like this. And then this goes right on here like this. And that's how you start scanning, simple. And once you have it connected to here, you can go ahead and power it on here, by power it on. And like I said, you grab the cables and go ahead and start connecting. And you put this here on the back here. Let me put it, just to put it here now. And this could be used for two ways. You could either put the phone here, or you could go ahead and put the bridge here so it holds it there, whichever way you want to work. Now, some of you might say, I don't like how that looks. All right, no problem. You can take this off, the camera part off. I'm just trying to do this here like this. All right, and then you can just, there's a clamp on the top here, that you can clamp this right on top of here. And boom, now you can keep it like this. So it's a lot, you got a lot longer stick to start scanning. If you want to do it this way, you want to put your phone here. Like I said, there's different ways you can set this up. But that's it for today. That's all I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you how the scanner looks, how to put it together, how to use it. And I'm gonna test it on my own time because I never use one. So I don't want to sit here and try to bore you with me learning how to use it. So I'm gonna test it out and tell you if it's a good item or not. But that's it for today, guys. If you do want to see a video on the update on this, let me know down in the comments, and I'll will make an update on it and show you how to use it. If you do want to want me to make a video of me knowing how to use it, like showing you how it works and everything, let me know as well. I'll be more than happy to make a video on that. And also, guys, if you like this video and everything that I showed today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button and also leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And on top of that, guys, if you still haven't done so, to the end of the video, hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.